guys. Wala akong boses. I'm always like this lately. Ito yung umaga. Wala na naman akong boses. But anyways, it's already 9 AM and I'm headed downstairs to have breakfast. And then we'll be having a visit at the, I think it's the Orchid Gallery. Orchid Garden? Orchid Gallery, I'm not sure. After that, babalik kami dito sa hotel. Free time na. Tara! It's day 3 of our adventure and sama lang kayo. Baka marami tayong makitang maganda ngayon. Tara! I love how Lovely uses metal straws for their drinks. It's their own little way of helping out the environment and trying to minimize the use of plastic. We'd like to see that in more establishments, actually anywhere in the world. So, good job, Lovely. So we're ready to leave. We're off. We're gonna be doing a city tour muna, then heading back to Lovely later on, and then we'll be going to the Lotus Farm afterwards.
Good morning mga kapamilya! Ay,
ito! Lumalola! Nagpahinga sa kwarto! Hindi nag-breakfast!
Ganun talaga. I'm not a breakfast person. Para madaming kainin ng lunch. Baboy.
Yun eh. Nagko-compensate siya eh. Tara, let's go! Walking tour daw yata to, so maraming lakaran na gagawin. Yun na narinig ko. Mali nga eh. Sobrang nipis ako na sapatos eh. Parang mali eh. Kala ko diretso na sa Lotus Farm. Diba? Meron ba tayong van o diretsong lakad-lakad? Oh my God, mali talaga. Dapat nagkano. Tawid-tawid. Hirap rin pala tumawid dito. Daming motor din. Parang Vietnam, parang Pinas.
So we have a bunch of religions going on here. So aside from Buddhism, we also have Christianity, Hindu, which is the previous religion, but sort of disappeared recently. And also we have animism. You guys know what it is, animism? Animism, it's about the people who believe in nature and stuff. Right? Nature, it's like, can be like a shoe tree or a big rocks that they sort of have like a spirit in there. They can offering things that maybe for protection or whatever.
So kailangan magtanggal ng shoes. Leave your shoes here. Alright. So pwede mag-medyas. Yeah. Okay, let's go. The name of the temple is Wat Preya Prom Rat. Wat Preya Prom Rat. Nagtataka ako kanina ba't ang daming tao nagpipicture dito sa likod ko. Daming tourists. So I asked our tour guide. Ito pala yung parang rest house ng kanilang head of state. Parang ika nga, kumbaga sa Baguio, di ba, merong the mansion. Ito naman yung kanila. The actual palace is in Phnom Penh. This is just one of their satellite houses, ika nga, parang rest house. Okay.
So this place called Preong Chai, Preong Chom. Yeah.
Okay. I couldn't mention it because it's so long. But anyways, this is the place where visitors pass by and they make a wish. When your wish comes true, you're supposed to go back and give thanks by means of any kind of offering that you want. That's why there are a lot of people here. They're making wishes, petitions, hoping that they would come true. And then, once it does come true, bumabalik sila. So you can give thanks by means of an offering of a song, maybe a flower, any kind of gift, as long as you come back and give thanks. Ganda ng weather ngayon. Sabi nga nila, unusually cool ang weather this week. But normally, ang weather is similar to Bangkok, which is hot, humid. So, nagkataon lang talagang timing na magandang climate sa bisita namin. Dahil sabi nga ng tao sa lobby, the week before this, mainit. Next week, mainit na naman. So, we're inside the market. Passing through lang yata. Typical market. Wet market, may mga seafood, may meat, may mga gulay dito. Reminds me of ano, mga palengke natin. Yeah, farmer's market, parang ganon. Sa Cubao. So, ganon din. So anyways, I stopped by to get the 2 magnets. Hilig ni Mrs. kasi yan eh. Mga magnet ng iba-ibang places. But it's nice that they accept US dollars here. So when you pay in dollars, and then they give you change in dollars as well. We're gonna ride the tuk-tuk back to Lobdi. Our tour guide. What's your name? Yi. Alright. Tara.
They hate it. Right and dirty. Right and dirty.
Lapit na pala ang Lobdi. So how much do they charge? $1 per head, or is it $1 for the entire ride for all of us?
No, it's $1 to $2
For everyone. Generally, no, the cost of living here is not too one.
Not too high.
Not too high, no? Here we are, Lobdi. Bilis nun ah.
Love it.
I loved it. Back to Lobdi for lunch. After lunch, freshen up a little bit, then Lotus Farm na yata.